Hi, I'm Vicki. Welcome to Make Life Special and another visit in Vicki's kitchen. Today I'm going to share one of my success secrets with you, and that's how to make a quick buttermilk substitute. You know, there are lots of recipes that call for buttermilk, like buttermilk pancakes. There are a lot of cakes that I make that call for buttermilk, and sometimes I find that I don't have it in my refrigerator. Well, the good news is you can make a quick buttermilk substitute with just 2 ingredients that I'm sure you have in your kitchen. You start with milk, regular milk, and then you have to add an acid to it because buttermilk provides the acid in the recipe. Buttermilk combined with baking soda or baking powder makes a giant fizz fest in your recipe, and it makes baked goods light and airy. And you cannot substitute just plain milk for buttermilk. That won't work. So here's how we're going to make our buttermilk substitute. We need either lemon juice, or you can also use distilled white vinegar. Today I'm going to use lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. If you have bottled lemon juice, you can do that too. And we're going to need about a tablespoon of lemon juice to make 1 cup of buttermilk. All right, so I'm going to measure out a tablespoon of the lemon juice and put it in my measuring cup. And then I'm going to fill the measuring cup to the 1 cup mark. Super easy. Then I'm going to give it a stir. And the acid from the lemon juice is going to make the milk thicken up, very similar to buttermilk. So you can use this in your recipe after about 5 minutes. A lot of times I will let it sit even 20 minutes to really thicken up before I put it in especially a cake recipe. So we'll be back in about 5 or 10 or 15 minutes and show you how this looks and how you can use it in your recipes. Hi, welcome back. And here is our buttermilk substitute. You can see how it is thickened up and it's ready to go in one of our recipes. Remember, let's make life special by sharing great food with our family and friends.